Like, this is like one of the most ready-made, ready-to-go wigs I have been sent by a company, period. Like, it is already ready to go. It has already been plucked at the hairline. Well, a lot of companies will send influencers hair that is not pre-plucked. On their website, it'll say, oh, it's pre-plucked, but it don't be pre-plucked. This is an actual pre-plucked wig. They actually went in and plucked the hairline very well. I love the texture of this hair. Like, it is kind of kinky. Like, I can feel it. It's kinky to the touch. But it's very straight as well. So it's not as kinky as like a regular kinky straight wig that has a lot of volume. This is very straight, but it has a nice realistic kink to it. And the look in person, it looks very, very natural. Like, this looks like this could definitely be my hair. Just the way that the texture is and how the knots are bleached very well. Companies do not be sending influencers hair that is already bleached. I don't know why, but I've gotten so many wigs from companies, and on their website they'll say they bleach the knots, but I guess because they're just sending us the wigs, they don't bleach the knots. This company has actually went in and bleached the knots, so thank you. The knots are bleached very nicely. It looks very, very good, very realistic. I'm actually gonna go in and add some powder to the hairline a bit, just to make it stand out just a bit more. Let's do that. Add to it, bam, bam. When in all honesty, I don't even need to do this, but this definitely helps bring out the hairline even more, helps it look a bit more natural, but it already looks crazy, crazy natural. And I'm in direct sunlight, so in direct sunlight, this ish looks very, very natural. It looks so good. I'm gonna come up closer so that you guys can get a better look of it, but it looks so good. I really, really like this hair so much. I don't even feel like I need to do anything to it. I was gonna throw some curls in it, make it look a bit more glam, but I think it looks very, very good like this. It's a very nice, straight look. Like, oh, I love this hair. Okay, so enough yapping about how happy I am with the way that this hair looks. This wig is from Ririhair. This is their Yaki straight virgin Brazilian hair. It is 130% density and it is 20 inches long. The lace color is light brown, so it blends into my skin tone very nicely. The hair just has a very nice kink to it. It has a nice coarse texture to it, but it is definitely straight, so you don't have to go in and flat iron it like you may have to do with other Yaki straight wigs. This one is actually straight. This wig also came with elastic bands that are very, very tight. So these are the elastic bands that it came with. I actually took them off because they were a bit too tight, and I don't like, you know, elastic bands tight on my head, but some people like that because it helps keep their wigs very, very flat. I'm just very tender-headed. My head is sensitive, so I don't really like elastic bands too much, but I know a lot of people would appreciate how tight these detachable elastic bands are. It was like glued to my head when I first had it on with these elastic bands, but because I took them off, that is why I went ahead and glued the wig down. But if you don't want to glue it down, you don't have to. You can just put these elastic bands on and you are good to go. So this is definitely a nice touch. It being detachable is very cool. They also gave me a nice little gold brush. Very cute, very cute. But yeah, this is the hair from Ririhair. I will put all of the information down in the description below so you guys can check it out if you are interested in copying you one of these. I love it, okay? It's so, so nice. Let me come closer so you guys can see it. Come through, come through. I am in direct sunlight, okay? I am in direct lighting so you can actually see how poppin' this hairline is. It looks so good. I love it so much. I'm so happy with this hair. I'm gonna stop rambling about it because I'm gonna be talking for about 20 minutes about how much I like this hair, but just look at it. It's so nice, and you can see a little bit better the thickness in the hair, how coarse it is. Like, it's not super duper silky straight to where it looks fake. This looks very, very natural for African American hair. So it looks so cool. It's nice and thick, so pretty, so pretty. But yeah, anyway, I will put the link down in the description so you guys can check it out. Like I said, definitely check out Ririhair. Thank you so much, Ririhair, for sponsoring this video. Love the hair. Thank you. But yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.